I'm going to show you how you can easily add GIF on Twitter or X profile picture. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device and search for GIFs. Now download the GIFs you like by selecting the desired GIF and tapping on the download button. Make sure to save them in an easily accessible location on your device. Next, go back and open your X application on your device. Ensure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. After that, tap on your profile picture. This will bring up options for editing your profile. Now tap on your profile picture again to open the editing options. Here, tap on Edit to modify your profile picture. Now select Choose Existing Photo to access your device's photo library. Next, select the GIF you downloaded earlier. Ensure it is the correct one you want to use. Then, tap on Use in the top right corner to confirm your selection. Now as you can see, it's added. Your new GIF profile picture is now live on your Twitter or X profile.